and we are going to open up our raw files with Photoshop. And what we shall do here is simply click on Auto and allow Photoshop to make a few adjustments, and we can take it from there. So some of the adjustments which can be made may be fine and you may proceed with them, but for this video there are others that we need to add to this, especially with the colors. We shall first boost the colors to 60, then also our exposure to 0.3, and our temperature is a little too warm, so we shall adjust it to right there, which is fine. Also some few blown out areas we shall tone down a bit, and as well as our saturation we shall increase it to 10. We shall also adjust our sharpness to 70. So for now the adjustments are okay, and we can click on Open Image. So we are going to begin by whitening the teeth, and we shall zoom in to the teeth areas and click here and look for hue and saturation. Now click where there is master and select the yellows, turn down the saturation and increase the lightness. So as you can observe, already the areas of the teeth are already a little whitened. However, we want to apply this effect on only areas of the teeth and the eyes. So we shall press Command I and get our brush tool and simply move it over all areas that you want to whiten. So there are also other methods of teeth whitening. However, I do prefer this one. You can also use the filters. However, I feel that this one looks a little bit more natural. Will give the photo that natural feel of the white. So we are done with the eye and teeth whitening, as you can see. If you want to increase the intensity a little bit, you can duplicate that layer. However, I feel that one is just enough, and we're going to merge. So the next bit, we shall be retouching our skin using frequency separation, and we shall duplicate our image twice. Now click on layer 1, click on filter, Gaussian blur, change the radius to 3, click on layer 1 copy, click on image, apply image, change this to layer 1. The blending mode should be subtract, click OK. Now your image will be gray. Now change this blending mode still to linear light. After that, click on layer 1 and select your lasso tool. So we're going to use this to select areas of the skin that we want to retouch using frequency separation. and click back on filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Now I'm going to just adjust this to 6, and as you can observe, the skin already looks smooth and retouched. However, this is not a constant. You can always use any figures that you prefer. You can either use 6, 12, 4, whichever you prefer, as long as it looks good. So we are going to apply this to the rest of the image, all areas of the skin. Sometimes some people apply this to only the face, they forget other parts like the hands. Please ensure that you apply this to all areas of the skin. So remember guys that always when you are editing, I would recommend that you can buy any old MacBook from mid 2010 onwards, because the colors are quite accurate. Or you can get any monitor that is well calibrated. We are actually editing on a MacBook mid 2010. So we are done with our skin retouching, and we shall just boost up our colors a little bit. I feel they're a little pale, so we shall increase our vibrance to 30. Shall merge all these layers and then crop this image a little bit just to balance it up. And that's it guys. So thank you very much. If this video has helped you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.